What can be said about Melissa Marquardt? You know, the thing about Melissa is she has no shortage, has never had a shortage of great ideas. And, you know, it was time for Melissa to get on the board of her dreams again. And the thing is, you know, Melissa, she was the test pilot of what became the Angel and then our trips. She was the test pilot of a great binding, Velcro, that became our Vantage. And now, you know, working with the trip type shape and integrating all our hybrid construction techniques, we offer the new Melissa Hybrid. This is a true hybrid shape, incorporating all those features that make a liquid hybrid board perform. It's got a CNC'd triple stringer core with the Triax glass, giving it longitudinal flex with torsional rigidity, durable liquid force, liquid rail, side rail, giving you superior bond, hold, and durability. And we finish the thing out with our durable sintered grind-based material. Now, Melissa's Hybrid features the double inside single concave running through the middle, and this flows into a deep double concave out the end and a real thin profile, so you have life, spring, and unreal tip flex. We finish out our board with her board with our SX slider fins, so you've got this exaggerated leading edge to trailing edge, added surface area, so you have like some controlling surface a little more thin to, you know, hang on when you're in a sliding environment. Melissa's board comes in two sizes, a 32 and a 35, and they feature our M6 inserts for all the most positive board boot interface you can find. So check out the Melissa Hybrid, another one of Liquid Force's all-terrain vehicles.